Today in this video I am going to show you how you can make fade to black transition in Canva. First open Canva and then go to the videos, go to the elements, and here search for your video which one you want to add fade effect, or you can upload video. So I am going to add this to video. Right click the video and make it as a background. Now add a page. Now go to the second video, right click and set video as background. Now let's add another page. Now go to the colors and select the black color. Make the size 1.2 second. Now add transition. Go to the mesh and move. Increase the duration. Now add transitions. Mesh and move. Now let's play. And there you go. So this is how you can make fade to black transition in Canva. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.